everybody? You're back again here with Garrett, with Josh. Josh, you help our members with mortgages all the time. So I know you're looking at income, you're looking at expenses, you're looking at a whole picture really when it comes to these loan applications. So I wanted to ask you, identifying income and expenses, right? The money going in and out, it's a big part of the budgeting process. Could you share a little bit more about that with us?
Absolutely. Income and outgo, what you pull in with your paychecks and what you spend it on, has a big to do with you reaching your financial goals and a huge part of how you balance a budget. There's all kinds of different ways to budget. I'm one of those nerds with a 10-page Excel spreadsheet. There's so many apps out there that you can download. My favorite two, in fact, are everydollar.com. They have their app, which is a zero-based budgeting style, where you tell every dollar what it's going to do before you actually get it. And mint.com, which is also great to pair up with your EFCU checking account so you can track your expenditures and see what you've been spending on. And it even breaks it down into all the separate categories, whether it's travel or housing or clothing or just straight up bills. But either way you think about it, I think that having a mindset about how can I both increase my income and decrease my outgo is going to help you kind of expedite your reaching of that financial goal we talked about. Okay. So for me, I have to think about it as what's eating my lunch, right? Like I brought the lunch, but I didn't get a bite of it. Well, it could have been that credit card payment, could have been that light bill, or it could have been that car insurance that I've been with the same company for 15 years and haven't shopped around.
Wow.
I always make the joke. My grandfather asked me for help with his budget years ago, and we took a look at his insurances, and that was the big thing that was eating his lunch. Right. Sometimes we just stay too loyal to the same company for too long without just checking. So bills, what else do we spend our money on? I guess that coffee, Starbucks, everything else. But I'm not going to pick on you for that. We all battle with that. But yeah, if you can decrease the outgo, that's going to help a lot. I do meet a lot of people in the mortgage process that they're asking me, Josh, what can I do to fix my DTI, my debt to income ratio? And a lot of folks will think, well, it's because I have a $30,000 car note. I say, no, it's not actually the balance. It's the monthly obligation. What part of your monthly income is this eating up? That plays part in your mortgage application. So tonight, take a look at what's going out, figure out exactly how much is coming in, and let's next month plan it out a little bit better.
That sounds good. Thanks a lot, Josh. Stay tuned. We're going to keep continuing this conversation. Thank you.